Hello, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Now the question is n minus 1 CR minus 1 ratio n CR ratio n plus 1 CR plus 1 is equal to 3 6 ratio 11. Now n minus 1 CR minus 1 over NCR is equal to 3 by 6. Here we use formula NCR is equal to n factorial over r factorial n minus r factorial. Then n minus 1 factorial over r minus 1 factorial, and here n minus 1 minus r plus 1 factorial over NCR n factorial over r factorial n minus r factorial. This one is cancelled with this. Now it is equal to n minus 1 factorial over r minus 1 factorial n minus r factorial into r factorial. We bring this into the numerator, r factorial n minus r factorial over n factorial. Now we simplify it. These terms are cancelled. Now is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now n minus 1 factorial over r minus 1 factorial into r factorial by using 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 factorial, r into r minus 1 factorial over n into n minus 1 factorial is equal to 1 by 2. Now this n minus 1 is cancelled with this, r minus 1 is cancelled with this. R over n is equal to 1 by 2. This is equal to 2r is equal to n. 2r is equal to n. This is our first relation. Now we take here second ratio NCR n plus 1 CR plus 1 6 and 11. When we take second relation, then it becomes NCR over n plus 1 C r plus 1 is equal to 6 by 11 is equal to 6 by 11. Now we using n CR is equal to n factorial over r factorial n minus r factorial. Then this becomes equal to n factorial over r factorial into n minus r factorial over now n plus 1 factorial over r plus 1 factorial into n plus 1 minus r minus 1 factorial, 1 is cancelled with 1, is equal to 6 by 11, is equal to 6 by 11. Now we simplify these terms. Now we simplify these terms as equal to n factorial over r factorial n minus r factorial into r plus 1 factorial, this n minus r factorial over n plus 1 factorial is equal to 6 by 11, is equal to 6 by 11. Now these two terms are cancelled. Now now we use formula 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 factorial. Then here n factorial into r plus 1 into r factorial over r factorial n plus 1 n factorial is equal to 6 by 11, is equal to 6 by 11. Now this r is cancelled with this factorial is cancelled with this factorial, then r plus 1 over n plus 1 is equal to 6 by 11, is equal to 6 by 11. Now by cross multiplication 6 11 r plus 11 is equal to 6n plus 6, then it becomes over second equation, it becomes over second equation, putting value of 2r, putting value from 1, putting value from 1, 11r plus 11 is equal to 6, n is equal to 2r plus 6, then 11r plus 11, 11r plus 11 is equal to 12r plus 6, then 11 minus 6 is equal to 12r minus 11r. Now 11 minus 6 is equal to 5, 12r minus r is equal to r. Therefore here r is equal to 5. R is equal to 5. Now putting value of R in 1, then 2 R is equal to n. 2R is equal to n. 2 into 5 is equal to n. N is equal to 10. Therefore, there are two solutions. First, R is equal to 5. Second one is n is equal to 10. Thanks.